This is how you remove and replace a lens on a Sony a7R III. You want to click this release button down and twist the lens off of the camera body. And to store it, you want to make sure you blow out any dust from the lens and the sensor before putting an end cap on the lens or the camera. And you want to line up the ridge on the end cap with the white dot on the lens. And then you twist it to make sure it doesn't come off. Same on the one for the camera. You line up the ridge with the white dot here and twist it so it doesn't come off. And to put the lens back on, you line up the dot on the lens with the dot on the camera here. And then you twist it until it clicks.